I'm leaving to Mexico in a few hours and I haven't packed my bags yet. I'm going for a little under a week, but I'm only going to bring my carry-on. So today I'm going to show you how to pack the perfect carry-on. First things first, the heaviest items that you have, you're gonna wear on the plane. So this jacket, I'm wearing it on the plane. This bag, I'm also wearing it on the plane. So now, I always start with my denim. These I lie flat, and everything else I roll. You'll want to roll your clothes to fit as many outfits as possible. So I'm going for 5 days and I think I probably have enough clothes here to last me 2 weeks, but I'm gonna make it all fit. Now for the smaller items, I'm going to use little bags. So always keep your little bags. Always keep your shoe bags and your dust bags because you're always going to use them when you're traveling. So for the bikinis, I'm just going to keep them all in here so they're together. And then this is going to go on the other side. And for the shoes, we're gonna pack them all in individual little bags. That way it doesn't get all of this dirt on anything else I've packed. For my sunglasses, I've got this hard box. That way they don't get smashed against anything else. I'm bringing this big pair by Celine, these aviators by Zita, and then just 2 more, I think, from Pretty Little Thing. And all of my cords are going to go in this makeup bag. It's got different compartments so I can keep my laptop charger, my phone charger, my camera charger all separate and detangled. There's actually still space in here. All of that is toiletries. I'm wearing those. And now on to toiletries. So this is my vanity case. It has this little thing right here, so it can attach right onto my carry-on handle. So it just sits on top like this, and in here, sometimes I store all my camera equipment, but this time I'm going to be keeping all of my skincare, makeup, and hair care. I'm going to put all of my liquids first in this bag. Since I am traveling, I'm only allowed products that are 3 ounces or under, so I try to use as many travel size things as I can. And then in this side, I'm going to keep all of my makeup. And then I store all of my brushes in this little pink bag, that way they don't get ruined by everything else just crushing them. I also packed some face masks, so I'm just going to throw these right on top, and then my makeup brushes. And then this side is my hair kit and my liquids, and that's done too. And that is how you pack the perfect carry-on. So, see you in Mexico.